Hey fam, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗏, where we talk filmmaking, photography, and travel. Now, if that tickles your fancy, make sure you support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button. Now, this video is going to be a little different because it's going to be on photography versus filmmaking. Lightroom Classic recently got an update, and as you can see, when you complete the updates, there's this list of changes that were done in October. Generative remove, HDR updates, content credentials, Nikon tether, performance, preview management, more enhancement, bugs and fixes. The one I want to focus on is the generative remove, and it is if you're still watching, support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know when I drop a new video. We have a goal of 1,000 subscribers, and as you can see, we got some work to do. So I appreciate any help I can get. Now let's get back to the video. And AI, it is a AI update, and it's new to Classic, but it's not new to Adobe. Now just make sure you have your Lightroom Classic pulled up, and as always with Classic, you want to make sure you're on the develop module. And as you can see here, I already have Lightroom Classic pulled up, and also a picture that I took of the painted ladies. Now I love the photo, but it has all these cars in front of it. So now if you go to the eraser, and then what you want to do is you just want to select the cars. I'm just going to kind of fast forward this piece a little bit. And once you're done, you just want to hit subtract and then hit remove. And as you can see here, it says removing area using AI, and the tip that is saying for smaller areas and blemishes, use remove without generative AI. You just got to give it a few minutes for it to work its magic. And with all AI, it always gives you this option or variations, and there's usually 3 different variations that you can kind of choose whichever one is the best one. And so we're going to repeat the process for the rest of the cars. And then as you can see, I got this person over here as well, so we're just going to do that. I mean, look at that, the before and after. What do you guys think of the new feature inside Lightroom Classic? If you've made it this far, support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button. Feel free to like, comment, and you can even share the channel. If you like this video, we have a whole playlist over here. Thanks fam, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.